Please cut this right now. The effect is in not sure what I did to. The effect is supposed to be normal. Okay, take 2.
I have to do his work today. Okay, stop here. Such drudgery. Come on.
Oh gosh, the moment from Let's Go Luna episode was interrupted the video. It can't do this at all. Alrighty then, take number 3. Cut once again, the effect is in lost effect. The effect should stay normally. Ugh, let's just take again. Here's take 4. Please cut this once again. Why is Sammy from Wow Wow Sammy doing here? He is not supposed to be here. Okay then, let's do take 5. Ugh, again with the effects? This time, the effect is in Luid group. The effect has got to stay normal. Okay then, this is going to be the last take, and if you mess this up again, I'm done. So, get prepared for the final take, also known as take 6. Alright, that's it. I'm done. Now, come back until tonight.